In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Zendesk. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're looking to reduce clutter in your inbox and focus on the most important messages. First, let's start by signing in to Zendesk. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zendesk login page. Enter your credentials, which include your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zendesk dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your Zendesk activities. Signing in is the first crucial step because it ensures that you're accessing your personal settings. Once you've successfully logged in, look for your profile picture. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Manage Profile. This is important because it takes you to the section where you can control your account settings. Managing your profile settings is a key aspect of personalizing your Zendesk experience. With your profile settings open, the next step is to find Security Settings. It's typically listed on the left-hand side of the page. Click on it to open up the security-related options. Security settings are essential for maintaining the integrity and privacy of your account. Now, within the security settings, you'll find an option for email notifications. This section controls the types of email alerts you receive from Zendesk. By default, these notifications might be turned on to keep you updated on various activities. However, if you're looking to minimize distractions, turning them off can be beneficial. At this point, you'll want to turn off the email notifications. Look for a toggle switch or checkbox next to the email notifications option. Click on it to disable the notifications. You may see a confirmation message or an indicator showing that notifications are now turned off. This ensures that your changes are applied correctly. Turning off email notifications is a great way to streamline your workflow. It helps reduce unnecessary interruptions, allowing you to focus on more pressing tasks. Keep in mind, you can always turn them back on if you find that you're missing important updates. Before we wrap up, remember that changes you make here affect only your account. Other team members in Zendesk will not be impacted by your settings. This means you have full control over how and when you receive communications from Zendesk. After completing these steps, you should find your email inbox less cluttered with notifications. This can lead to improved efficiency and a more organized digital workspace. With that ready, you can now enjoy a more streamlined notification experience in Zendesk. Thank you for watching this tutorial on turning off email notifications in Zendesk. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.